Hi, in this video, we will see how to embed widgets on a Lovable website. This is the home page. We want to add a search tool here. And we could also add a newest listings widget in this area. The first thing we need to do is grab the widget code from IDX add-ons. We have this app to generate the search tool. We are not going over the app settings in this video. You can grab the code at the bottom of the page. You can copy the code here. If you want to see what it looks like, hit the preview button. Now, what I like to do is take a screenshot of the area where I want to embed the widget and highlight it. Okay, that should work. And now we go to Lovable and ask for something like this. We paste the code, and we also need to add the screenshot. Now that we have everything, we hit send. We need to wait for Lovable to do the magic. While we wait, we can go to IDXs and use the Speedy Widget app to generate the code for the newest listings widget. Let's use this one, the newest listings widget. Let's apply a theme. We will pick Zoom. You can get the code at the bottom, the same way as before. You can click the preview button to see what it looks like. Okay, this is fine. I see that Lovable has already added the search bar. Now what we want to do is repeat the process for the newest listings widget. Let's take a screenshot and highlight the area where we want to embed the widget. In a similar way, we ask Lovable to embed the code in the designated area. Paste the widget code, upload the screenshot, and click the send button. So, the process is very easy. You can generate the code for the widget you want to embed using IDXs, copy the code, take a screenshot, and share that information with Lovable so Lovable can add it in the right place for you. You can customize it further to make it wider, change the background color, or anything. Okay, it's loading the preview. There you go. That is how you can embed widgets on Lovable. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.